Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So this is our reading for Libra, summarizing Venus and Jupiter Libra. Ano na lang po, like and subscribe na lang po sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe. And please do comment down below. Ma-appreciate ko yung heart-heart ninyo or kahit smiley, sobrang ma-appreciate ko yan. So anyway, this is for the sign of Libra. Shuffle ko lang konti. And habang nag-shuffle, i-announce ko na rin yung um, iba pa. Like, kung gusto mo ka personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Okay, let's start. For Libra, Sun, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Libra. For Libra, please. For Libra, please. You do have here desire, roller coaster, poison, and pretending. By the way, this is general love reading. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, huwag ipilit. Bottom of the deck is wish. Okay. This is a person. Nakita tayo ng person who really do likes you. Gusto ka niya. Now, itong person na ito is being fake. Pwedeng hindi niya masabi yon, or iba yung ipinapakita niyang kaugalian or attitude towards you sa kung ano talaga yung intention niya, kung ano talagang pagtingin niya or emotions niya for you. Itong person na ito is having a lot of desire for you. So, talagang sabihin na natin may pagnanasa na rin to the point na talagang ini-imagine ganitong person na to, and ikaw yung nagbibigay ng excitement para sa kanya. This person is, siya yung tipo ng tao na parang pagdating sa sexual na usapan, sexually, mas na-arouse or mas natutuwa siya, mas nagaganahan siya sa spiritual na arousal. Alam mo yon, like spiritual kind of pagdating sa sex. And ikaw yung naiisip nitong taong to. Maybe this person is having sex with other person or other people, pero ikaw ang nasa isip niya. Okay? And then, currently, pwedeng may mga hindi healthy na connection or pinagdadaanan itong person na ito pagdating sa buhay niya. And this person is wishing or hoping na sana ma-meet ka niya ulit or magkaroon ng connection sa inyo, or ikaw ang kasama niya ngayon. And I can see the word live-in. So, pwedeng may ka-live-in siya. And this person is hoping or wishing na ikaw ang ka-live-in niya at hindi yung mga kasama niya sa buhay ngayon or kasama niya sa bahay. This person is feeling a lot of chemistry with you. Some of you, pwedeng saglitan lang yung pagkikita ninyo na taong ito. Hindi yung pagkakakilala ha, yung pagkikita. So, pwedeng there's instances sa buhay mo na this could be a past person na hindi ka makalimutan, na hanggang ngayon nasa isip ka pa niya kahit saglit lang kayong nagkasama or nagkita. Okay? This person, as much as possible, ayaw kanyang saktan or ayaw kanyang mahirapan or may mangyaring hindi maganda sa'yo or masira ang kung ano man yung meron sa'yo ngayon. So, or ayaw niyang makagulo, pwedeng ganun. That's why tinatry ka niyang protektahan in a way na hindi siya masyadong, pwedeng may communication, pero pwedeng hindi communication na makakasira para sa'yo. So, I don't know what that means, pero yeah, you do have your karmic. Some of you, there's this karmic connection na involved dito sa connection ninyo, or you're dealing with a person na kasalukuyang may karma na pinagdadaanan ngayon. And that could be anything. Yung karma na yon could be may kinalaman doon nga sa live-in na part, or yung iba may kinalaman sa pinakabuhay niya na pinagdadaanan ngayon. Sa career, whatever. So, yan. Na nagpapakita sa atin yung karmic. So, anyway, please tell me more for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Some of you could be dealing with your twin flame. Medyo nahahanginan yung card, no? Wait lang, guys. Okay, sorry about that. What do we have here for the sign of Libra? For the sign of Libra, please. You do have your trigger. Focus. Anxiety. Wait lang ulit, guys. Okay, may lumipad na card, which is the receipt. And denial. And eto, pangatlong beses na ito nagpakita sa akin, karmic. So, I don't know if you're dealing with your karma or your karmic or may karmic connection na involved dito. But this person, I'm seeing a car here. I don't know kung mahilig ka ba sa sasakyan, or maybe your person or this person, no. The way I see this, talagang masama ang tama nitong taong ito sa iyo, no? Because there's this eye here, and yung mata niya is nasa iyo. It's like ikaw yung nakakapagpa-trigger talaga sa kanya. And this person is really focused on you. You are quite scared, or itong person na ito ay nagbibigay sa iyo ng feeling na parang hindi mo feel, magpakita sa kanya ngayon, or nahihiya ka. Yung some of you, ganun eh. Pwede kung hindi man kayo nakikita sa personal, pwedeng hindi mo siya makita or hindi mo siya matitigan ng matagal, asiwa ka, ganun yung iba sa inyo, ganun, ano. But you do have your receipt. It's like this person own you. This person may mga proof siya na nagiging rason kung bakit kailangan kanyang makita. Pwede ganun. There's a reason for this person to see you. And some of you na may irita sa part na yun. Nakakairita sa part na yun. Gusto pa lang, parang you have no choice para kundi magsunod sa kung ano man i-demand nitong taong ito, which is, yeah, some of you could be dealing with a karmic connection. And yeah, I can see the word end dito sa, there's this pretending. So, nagpapakita sa akin yung word na end. You want this to end. Itong connection with this person na parang nagagamit ka, no? And parang it's like, your time is up. Tapos na yung time niya sa'yo, parang ganun. Parang gusto mo na lang paalisin siya sa buhay mo. Kasi, nakakapagod din. No, you want to rest. You want to focus on other things. You want to focus on yourself. some of you nagkaroon ka ng anxiety or nagkaroon ng problema ang iyong mental, no, dahil dito sa taong ito who is like, yeah, 'di ba? You are showing to other people na okay ka, na you are happy, that you are okay, pero deep inside hindi talaga. And lalo pag nandiyan yung taong ito sa paligid mo, like if this person is around you, parang hindi mo talaga kayang maging okay, or magaling ka na sa pagpe-pretend or pag-hide, but definitely you are not okay. Okay, so tell me please, spirit guides, angel guides, in the future for Libra, you do have your searching, lost. I can see Taurus. I don't know if you're dealing with the Taurus. Drastic. Grip is here. So, the way I see this, in the future, there's this pagka-cut off na gagawin ka dito sa person nito, and maybe you will try to block and cut off this person, cut anything na may kinalaman sa kanya. But ang nakikita natin kasi dito, you're cutting off this person pag siya yung lalapit sa'yo or dadating or whatever. But I can see you still searching. You do have your searching. Hinahanap mo pa rin. May hinahanap ka pa rin. Maybe sa kanya. Or maybe you're searching through social media kung kamusta na ba itong taon to. Or maybe you're looking for something like proof or whatever dito sa person na ito in the future. But, grip is here. So, nasa sa'yo yan kung kailan ka talaga bibitaw dito sa person na ito. Regarding doon sa galit mo sa kanya, you do have here retaliation. So, some of you want revenge. You want na pagdusahan niya or magkaroon ng, may galit sa'yo may galit sa puso mo dito sa person na ito. Regarding this ginawa niya sa'yo, or maybe if this person puts you in a third party situation, so may galit ka dun sa ginawa niya sa'yo, and it's like, bakit niya nagawa yun? Bakit, like, ano bang meron? Diba? Parang, hindi ka naman dapat pangit yung tingin mo sa sarili mo, pero some of you nagiging ganon. So, para dun sa mga inilagay sa third party, But you do have your obsession and escapade. Yeah, I feel like the energy is here, is you are willing and you are ready to let go of this person. Gusto mo na siyang i-let go. Pero parang yung galit sa puso mo, yun ang hindi pa nawawala in the future. And parang you want more in the future. So what is the advice? I feel like you need an advice here. Ano yung advice para sa mga Libra? Because pwedeng hanggang ngayon, may iniisip ka pa rin. You do have your crickets, that is silence, and you do have here come together. Some of you, ikaw lang din makakasagot Yung advice sa'yo is to eto, dalawang advice yung nakikita ko If this is a past person wherein inilagay ka sa third party situation, and this is the past happened, hindi mo na mababalik yun. Hindi ka na, sabihin na natin gusto mong gumante, etc. Pero hindi yun yung way para maging masaya ka. You deserve to be happy, and yung anxiety, ikaw lang din makakapagpagamot nun sa sarili mo. You have to fight anxiety, you have to hindi mo pwedeng sisihin yung taong to or kahit sino sa mga pinagdadaanan mo or nangyayari sa buhay mo sa sarili mo. Kasi sarili mo yan, utak mo yan, alam mo makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Just focus on those things, okay? And uh, maybe wag ka na lang makipag-usap dito sa taong to if that would give you at peace, no? Kailangan maging at peace ka lang Yun na yun, no? And then there's come together. This is like another relationship connection which is about to happen sa buhay mo. Eto na lang, mag-focus ka na lang dito sa new connection. Someone is going to see you and I feel like this time you are ready, lalo na let go mo na itong taong to. Some of you, yun yung advice. Okay, punta tayo doon sa pangalawang advice, which is kung hindi naman ikaw inilagay sa third party and this could be a new person that you are trying to cut off, but gusto ka talaga nitong person nito, and I feel like sa ngayon wala kang dapat gawain then. If this is a spiritual connection, twin flame connection, soulmate connection, hayaan mo lang din dumating ito sa buhay mo because this is for you. No, binibigay or binabalik ito sa buhay mo kasi para sa'yo talaga yan. Yan, twin flame is here. So, some of you, wag mo nang intindihin itong mga selos or chismis, no? If ito ang iniisip mo kung bakit hindi kayo pwede or hindi mag-work ito, because you do have your lock box. It's like ang mas magbibigay lang sa'yo ng frustration, hindi yung chismis or hindi yung sasabihin ng iba, but rather yung connection ninyo. Okay? Kasi the more na ikaw ay lalayo or iwas sa connection na ito, the more na hindi ka matatahimik because you know in your heart that this is what you want. Commitment is what you want with this person. And future with this person is what you really desire or gusto mo talaga, 'di ba? So, yon, dalawang connection yung nakuha natin. Thank you for watching. Sana nakarelate ka. I love you all and bye-bye.